Nothing else. You said, I want to add more in there, like test one we created. So you go to add one more from the list. Oh, okay. I click on it. And I type in my test, yeah, okay. Okay. And I said yes. Okay, top level. I said yes. Then you see the test. One is also yeah, correct. Okay. This is how you will be adding. Now you go to Rule Manager. Okay. And you assign some rules. I created a domain, but I have not defined it what particular role that domain has. Right. So I'll just click on it. So this domain will have admin access. Let's say LMS admin. Okay. We'll create that, so don't worry about it. Everything is fine. I'm just showing you the basic settings. When we do our classes, everything we will do by ourselves. We'll create our domain. We'll create our role. Yeah. This is just the setting. See the permission. I created a new rule and I said, okay, what permission it should have. See. It has all the access. It can create a report. You can run the finance connectors, admin, everything. Whichever I want to remove, I can click on it and I can remove this. Okay. The moment I say apply change, all this will be removed. You want to add more, you will click on add one more from list. This is nothing, but I'm giving permission to one rule. So there is a rule I created called LMS admin. What all that admin can do. This is system administration. Oh, okay. And, as I said, everything, this, how to create role, how to create administration. We will do step by step again. This is not something I would. I'm showing you. This is end. No, these are the basic things that you need to be doing. And not you, because consultants will do, who are very expert in it. They directly come and do the setting. So that's why I mentioned we'll do everything from the scratch. I'm just showing you the basic settings initially. Done. We will again come back. We will start from the top. In the process, we will come to the system administration as well. So these are the basic setting. You can just go and run the system, domain group and this role management. Just have a look from the system itself. Just play around it. These are the basic settings I wanted to show you so that you are aware of the system initiation.